Thailand Rick on tour. I'm just going to show you a very small bit of footage on some Thai workers out here on scaffolding. This is quite alarming actually. There's no health and safety out here, as you know, and the scaffolding is made of bamboo. There's 3 lads here. They just put some bamboo up and they've tied it together with ropes. There's no clamps or anything, and it's quite high rise, and they're doing some sanding down on the wall and they're painting it. So I'm going to share this very small video with you, and I think it's quite funny, but it can be dangerous as well. Anyway, enjoy the little video. I'll see you soon. Health and safety in Thailand is a real joke. Have a look at this little bit of footage I got for you. Over here we have some guys there, there's 3 of them there, on a makeshift scaffolding out of bamboo, and it's just tied together with a rope, and there's 3 of them on there sanding down the wall to paint it. Let's zoom in and show you how dangerous this really is here in Thailand. Very bright sunlight here today. Hope you can see us okay. This is bamboo. It's wooden, not even metal. I don't know if you can see the rope around it. It's tied together with rope. Really crazy. No safety whatsoever. They're just balancing on this bamboo makeshift scaffolding to paint this building, and they really are a long way up. I'll just zoom out a little bit just to show you how far they are. They're crazy. You wouldn't get me up there. I do a lot of work on scaffolding, but I have to feel safe underfoot. But this is absolutely manic. Only in Thailand would you see this. See the ropes where it's tied together with ropes? There's some more rope. That is all that's holding that bamboo together. There you go. Rope. And it's not even tied very good either. They don't seem to care out here. They're quite fearless, the Thai, when they're on scaffolding. One, I wouldn't get up there, being it's bamboo, even if it was put together with clamps. But bamboo together. Look at this one here, this guy here. He's just hanging on. I'm surprised there's not more accidents than there actually is out here, really. I just thought I'd share this little bit of footage with you on how crazy some of these people are. I hope you like this little video on health and safety in Thailand. This is Thailand Rick saying bye for now, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye.